Hello everyone, this is the third video of our SaaS SEO strategies. And if you haven't watched our previous two videos, then you can watch them on our YouTube channel. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the power of building knowledge hub for SaaS businesses. Like we normally know that SEO can be used for capturing the search demand and like driving conversion, but we can also use SEO to satisfy your customers, existing customers, and also increase the conversion as well. So in that case, like building knowledge hub is pretty powerful. So we're going to start with some examples. So let's understand like what is actually knowledge hub if you are not aware of. So basically it's kind of a help center to help your existing customers or the future customers and knowing about the, let's say, the every detail of your products and details about or information about your pricing, features, and any questions related to your brand. So if you can like build a knowledge hub for your existing or new customers, then that will actually help you to solve their queries or questions. So if you can see, like this is from the Ironclad, a contract management software. So this is a classic like general knowledge hub example that you can see. And this is another one from Belgium. This is a property management software. So the structure is almost similar for all the SaaS website that you see. So now if you see the result, okay, the Ironclad, the only subfolder of the Ironclad, the knowledge hub is getting around 1000 or more than 1000 visitors every month. And similar with the Belgium, which is around 3000 per month, regarding the all the branded searches. Because like if people are searching regarding your brand, then you're most likely to rank on the page one or the position one on the keyword. So that's easy for you, but yeah, you're getting additional 2000, 3000 monthly visitors. Another example is from Doorloop. So you can see like they're getting around good amount of traffic every month, but it is more impressive because the type of searches that they are getting, because many people are searching before buying their product. So it increases the value of these searches because the branded search has some more potential to convert users into the paid customers. So in that angle, like building the knowledge hub is pretty important. So you can understand like what we can do to implement the same for your SaaS business. So what I would recommend you is that like start with understanding like the queries and the questions that your customers might have. So you can basically simply categorize all your questions or queries into these three buckets, like pre, during, and the post. Like this will mostly cover all your queries. So what you can do is like create a list of questions and just like create three different buckets and just put them under each of this will help you create a lot of questions and the information, or even you can contact your sales team and see what are the common queries that your sales team is getting often, like before someone is buying their product, what are the top questions that they are asking. So maybe if you are using any chatbot, then you also need to know that okay, what are the common questions or queries people are asking after buying, after purchasing the product or before buying the product. So you can like basically create entire list out of the questions that you are getting currently. So if you just see, like there are some examples that you can see, like before someone is purchasing your product, someone like most likely to search for something, your product name plus the pricing or the specific feature, or does your company like your SaaS tool provide any refund policy on any free trial or not. So those are the queries that you should be creating or covering in your knowledge hub. So the first step will be to create a list of questions and or queries, and then you just categorize them into three different buckets. So this will help you like to understand or visualize the structure of the knowledge hub. Once this process is done, you can simply, like there are many tools that you can use to build the knowledge hub. Normally it will be done on your subdomain, like so for example help dot your domain.com. So this is a subdomain, so you can use any of your subdomain for building or hosting your knowledge hub content. So that is the structure will be almost similar for all of this. If you see, like if you see any common knowledge hub builder, then the structure will be almost same. One thing that we can consider is the structure of each of your knowledge hub or dedicated page. I'll give you one great example from SEMrush. Like if you have seen their knowledge base or knowledge hub page, like this is one of the most well organized knowledge hub page we'll see. Like the structure is like pretty clear, the title, the content, the step by step process. On the right hand side you can see the table of content, what are the topics that are covered, and on the left hand side you can also give them the navigation kind of thing, so that they know where they are in the current stage and what are the other topics that they might be interested in. So this is a good way you can take reference from. And another thing I would really encourage you to is adding the kind of feedback thing. Like for example, in the same list they have added this small widget of is this article helpful, because this way you can actually know, okay, your knowledge hub is actually helping your audience or the customers, or it is actually improving the satisfaction, customer satisfaction. So you need to measure that thing. So maybe you can add this or any similar widget in your knowledge hub page, so that will actually help you see which pages are getting most like vote and not. So you can start executing this on your SaaS website to see, like see the normally it will not only just help you in gaining additional traffic, which is obviously the case, but again you need to think about the conversion perspective. Because if people are getting their queries questions cleared by searching your brand name and the questions, then it's more likely that they will get to know your brand and the tool more easily. So this is the primary reason that you should be building the knowledge hub for your SaaS business.